I mean, we're a full service EPC. We do everything from sales to install. So permitting was a big piece of the puzzle for us for a long time. And we essentially tried everything. Prior to Aurora's plan set design, our third parties were pretty hit or miss. It would take a week, sometimes 2 weeks to get back a plan set, which if you're doing low volume is not a huge problem, but as you start to do higher volumes of projects, those timelines can really affect your bottom line and your customer experience. So we look for people who could do it faster, but the quality just fell off a cliff. So we're really pleased when Aurora came out with their plan sets, but I think because Aurora is such a, at the heart, they're a design tool, I think it was a really natural progression for them, and we found the quality to be really stellar relative to the other companies that we had worked with in the past as a third-party service.